Hi, my name is Jessie Kennett. I'm the HR manager for Behlen Manufacturing in Columbus, Nebraska, and we were awarded with the 2025 Large Business Recognition Award. So we start our career exploration at the high school level with students who come up to us and explore welding at the career fair tables. And a lot of times we see those same students come through Nebraska VR to Behlen as full-time employees, and we teach them a skill for welding out in our weld training center. And they spend about a week to 2 weeks until they're really comfortable to get the hang of welding, and then we put them out in the manufacturing environment. And once we have them out there, it's, again, we like to follow up and see how they're doing, how they enjoy it, what have they learned since they've been down in the manufacturing environment. And then we try to push them to keep growing. So through the different phases of welding we offer here at Behlen, and then as opportunities arrive, we try to see if they're interested in taking the next step and pushing to a higher level job, to more pay, more experience, and just different avenues to make sure they're getting a rewarding career out of a choice they made back in high school. For our business, it's an honor to win the 2025 SRC Disability and Inclusion Award, because we're providing opportunities to our community that matter for their careers and the future of Columbus. So we've partnered with Nebraska VR on different levels, whether it's having people come in and do mock interviews, job shadows, kind of just community outreach at the local schools, and partnering with them to get talent in, and meeting the candidates where they're at helps. So whether it's just walking and talking or showing them hands-on kind of a tour or job shadow type role, it helps get them exposure for what they want their career to be. And on the front end of the hiring process, it's also important to be able to adapt to the candidate's needs. So during the interview process, while we're not changing it, we might make them more comfortable by going out on a tour instead of sitting down and doing a formal interview, and still capture the same information we would have if we were doing the formal interview, but it relaxes the candidate and makes them more open with me as an HR professional, and also opens them to see what's out there for them. I think the most surprising thing for me and my team is the multiple levels of partnership and support that Nebraska VR offers the employers, whether it's helping navigate a situation with the candidate, or helping us to navigate the situation on our own with the candidate, or even just coming out to see, what is Behlen about and how can they help support us in finding talent. What does it mean to us to have a candidate that's successful, and just so many different varieties. VR has always been in our corner, whether it's a situation we need help with or something that we just need advice on. I think the biggest benefit for partnering with Nebraska VR for Behlen is it's truly an alternative workforce that, if you're willing and able to accommodate the folks in that workforce, you can open opportunities for both Behlen and the candidates and show them something that maybe they never thought was attainable, teaching them new skills, and just bringing a whole lot different level of life satisfaction to them.